Hi viewers, welcome to my channel Media 9 and today's program is about rainwater harvesting. See, rainwater harvesting is there in the existence from the ancient days, but nowadays it is becoming very popular as the people are struggling with scarcity of the water. Then what is rainwater harvesting? Rainwater harvesting is nothing but catch the rain, store it, filter it and consume it. Very simple. So let us not waste the time. Straight away we'll start the program. There is a beautiful apartment. Terrace area also is very much larger. And there comes the rain. Rainwater is getting accumulated in the terrace. Let's bring down this huge water using pipelines. Make the water to flow to the sandbed for filtering purpose. And collect it in the sump. From the sump, you can pump the water to the well or tanks wherever you want. Also, you can directly connect the pipelines to the recharging pit so as to enhance the groundwater level. So that the borewells in the vicinity of your apartments, flats will get very good yield. Thanks for watching and subscribing my channel.